Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford, and we're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty in an XLT trim. Beautiful magnetic gray color, and we've got dual tone on here. It's a beautiful dark purple. It's got a beautiful flake to it. Gorgeous, unique looking truck, powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine. So you got plenty of towing and hauling power. You've got that long box on here. This is a Ford certified pre-owned unit, or it qualifies for that. So I highly suggest you call in, speak to one of our product specialists about the different incentives that can get you, because it's definitely well worth it. Just take a little short stroll around this truck so you can appreciate its beauty. Probably hard to see the flake in the video here, but I'll try to get up closer so you can see it. Hard to see. Definitely need to come see it in person, guys. Beautiful truck. Let's have a look inside. So inside we've got a Supercab here. Nice thing about the Supercabs is how far the doors fold back. So they fold basically all the way back to that quarter panel there. So any cargo you're trying to get in, you're gonna have lots of flexibility that way. Three-way bench seating in the rear seat here, and you do have a 60/40 folding bench seat here. So you throw that up, and now you've got some storage under your seats and more flexibility for flat storage back here in the back seat. Of course, on your door you have power locks, power mirrors, power windows, good door storage as always. Gray cloth upholstery in here, durable, easy to care for. Manually adjusting seats in here. At the moment I've got it set up so you have optional 3-person bench seating, but that center console does flip down, giving you an armrest, some cup holders, and then of course some storage in there as well. So no matter which way you have it set up, it's functional. There's also storage under here, so if you flip this back up, you've got storage under your seat and cup holders that flip out there. So guys, having a look at our dash here, you can see that this unit is sitting at 70,527.7 kilometers. On your steering wheel, these buttons here are going to be what controls your intuitive and very informative dash. So you can flip through here, you get your towing status, off-road status, trip and fuel, average fuel economy, current fuel economy, basically everything you want to know is all on there. That's all controlled via there. Cruise control settings here, just under that, and then you've got infotainment and Bluetooth controls on the right hand side of your steering wheel. And then your infotainment system. This little screen is also going to serve as your backup camera with guidelines, as you can see there, but you have AM, FM radio, CD, Sirius with subscription, auxiliary and Bluetooth settings, so everything you're going to need infotainment wise. And then you've got a nice layout for your HVAC controls. You've got your fan speed on the left here, temperatures on the right, and then all your settings easily accessible in the middle. 4x4 options just to the left of your infotainment on the turn dial, and a trailer brake controller installed there. And then you have a 12-volt power source and a USB connection, and then 2 more 12-volt power sources up here as well. So definitely set up to work for you no matter what you need done. So if you're in the market for a truck to get all your jobs done, give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.